Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change the position of image in Canva. So first of all, let me open canva.com and you can upload any of the image from your laptop. For example, let me use this one for demo, and you can easily select custom size. So after that, if you want to change the position for this image, so for example, let me show you. I have resized it. Now I want to change the position. You can go here, position tab, scroll down, and here you can see you can align it on the top, left, right, middle, center, bottom, right. For example, if I select right, then here you can see it is moved in right. Then click on the center, then it is in the center. And after that, if you want to align it in the middle, then you can select this one. And after that, here you can easily select width and height of the image, and also you can do rotation. For example, I add a value, then here you can see it is rotated to the 90 degree. Then let me go back to the 0. And also if you have multiple images, then you can overlap and change the layer of the image. So you can easily drag it and change the layer of image. For example, let me show you. If I add here multiple images, then now go to the position, and if I want this image to go back, then let me scroll it. Now here you can see back images on the front side. In this way you can easily change the position of image and change the layer of image.